Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can check production date of your Apple devices. So first of all, you have to open our website HardReset.Info. Next, open this website, click on the search pool, and right now you have to input serial number of your device. So in this case, I'm gonna input serial number of my AirPods. Then click right here. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, as you can see here, I have my AirPods second generation, and when I scroll down I will find the production date right here. It appears in this place. So as you can see, that's very simple. For sure you can find here other information of your device, like for example the device age, factory, or other device specification. And that's how it looks. So one more time, to check production date of your product, just simply open our website HardReset.Info and input right here the serial number. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.